Meaning of heptathlon.
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 Heptathlon. Heptathlon is a combined track and field event consisting of 7 different disciplines, which are spread out over 2 days. The events include the 100-meter hurdles, high jump, shot put, 200-meter run, long jump, javelin throw, and 800-meter run. The competition rewards athletes for their overall ability across multiple disciplines as opposed to just one. Heptathletes score points in each event based on their performance, and the athlete with the highest total score at the end of the event is declared the winner. The heptathlon is considered one of the most grueling and challenging events in all of track and field.